Even if you do not lead an active lifestyle, you might sprain a joint at any point in time. As the ankle is the most commonly sprained joint of the body, let's look at how to render basic first aid to it. Treatment of sprains is simple. All you need to remember is a simple bowl of rice. Why rice? It stands for rest, ice, compression, and elevate. Rest the joint if you are in the middle of a workout. Stop putting pressure on the affected area. If you choose to ignore the sprain, you will risk permanent damage. Ice the affected area. Do this as soon as possible to help limit the swelling after an injury. Remember, do not apply ice directly onto your skin and try to wrap it with a towel first. Compress the affected area. A crepe bandage from your first aid kit will work very well for this. Elevate the joint. If possible, try to raise the affected area above your heart. This helps to prevent and limit swelling. This process can be done 4 to 8 times a day and up to 2 days after the injury. Do also note that you should only ice the sprain area for up to 20 minutes at a time. Get medical assistance if you experience any of the following. Develop redness or red streaks that spread out of the injured area, or if the area has been injured for several times before.